Good evening, guys. We are walking up to the beach, taking the kids to the beach today. Come on, boys. Yeah. It's beach day for us and the kids, for me and the kids. We were gonna ride our bikes, but it was team way too much. So we're just gonna go this way. We got dropped off, should I say? Come on.
The beach, the beach. I really want to play in the water.
Yeah, I don't do the beach. I'm just gonna come out here and I'm gonna sit.
You gonna be in the water?
We're at the beach.
Water is disgusting.
I don't know what to say about this life, y'all. At the beach with my babies. Y'all, I am not a beach person. That ain't what I do. I don't like the water that the fish swim in. I don't want to swim with Nemo. No shade. Let me give you a picture of my babies. They are building a sandcastle. I'm gonna sit over here with my cooler and stuff with my babies. Hey y'all, this is my definition of beach life. It's relaxing with my hair up under my umbrella. I got my swimsuit up under here. I may take it off. It's like super duper hot out here, y'all. Like 90 degrees. It feel like 100 or something. And we by the lake is usually cooler, so I can't even imagine for people that's not over here. That's how I take my swimsuit off. My swimsuit, my top. Yeah. That's how I get ready to take it off and stuff. Just relaxing. Show you my children. The light is horrible. Lay up under my tent area. Turn it around. There she is.
Don't ever go in the water. It's freezing. Wasn't that cool?
It was, baby. Are you having fun at the beach? This is building a sandcastle. Miho, what you doing, baby?
Trying to do a sandcastle.
Oh, okay. No. No. So we still out here. I'm relaxing. There go the kids. Doja, don't bend over for goodness sake. I got me a little cooler here for something to drink. It's really hot out here, y'all. Like I was saying, we still out here. It's perfect for the day because it wouldn't have lasted straight. My babies are playing in the sand. You can see my oldest son and my daughter there. Looking kind of cloudy. It don't say it's supposed to rain today. But you know, who knows? Me and my babies today again, enjoying myself. Sit up, Jesus. My back is bad for this kind of stuff. There they go. Say hi, Daddy. Say hey, boys. Yeah, I don't know how much longer we're gonna stay out here. I'm gonna try to wait for my husband. Yeah, and then I'll let you guys know. We are leaving the beach. We are starting to feel raindrops. So we're gonna start to walk home. Kids, did y'all have fun?
Yeah.
Do it for the kids because I don't even like the water. Okay. Mom's getting tired, so I'll see you guys closer to the house. What's up, guys? We're home. The kids are basically taking showers. I'm trying to upload this video, but then my laptop decided that it was going to update itself. So, yeah, please forgive me for that table. This is downtown right now. You see the clouds. It's like about to rain. So, yeah, I'm just going to get in the shower once they're all taken care of and try to get this vlog updated. It's already late because like 5:33. We're having leftovers for dinner. I made chicken tacos for dinner yesterday in the crock pot. So yeah, I'm just over it at this point. Heat makes you exhausted, and his hair is like a wrap. Like I just really want to just wash my hair tonight. But if I wash it tonight, I don't know what I'm gonna do tomorrow. It seems like every weekend we got something to do. Why can't we just stay home? Why can't we just sit at home? So I guess I'll vlog more once the hubby gets home.